Summer rain is passing over, and it feels like a dream. I could run and look for shelter, but you hold on to me. I'm under your skies. I'm caught in your eyes. Don't you know you stop the rain? Standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. There's so much
Bob,
that
my love. In this moment, I think about how crazy our journey here has been and all the trials that we have faced and won together. How through God's perfect timing and His love, I stand here looking into the eyes of my beautiful soulmate He created for me.
Bob, today represents the start of a new journey, but I already belong to you and have for as long as I can remember. As we stand before our family and friends, we pledge our commitment to each other, and I promise to devote my life learning exactly what that commitment means.
I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime.
I promise to nurture your dreams, help you achieve them. I promise to be your student and your teacher, and I promise to never let us lose our spark. I promise to laugh with you and continue to make more inside jokes. I promise to honor your dad and his wishes for you, to love you, to be breezy. And finally, I promise I will always put God first in our marriage and our family.
I promise to grow with you and be your safe place. I promise to fight for you when you feel like giving up. I promise to always be your best friend. I promise to love you fiercely, encourage you relentlessly, and pray for you continually. No matter where we are or what's going on around us, I promise that with you, I will always be home.
I promise that I will walk with you hand in hand wherever the journey leads us, living, learning, loving, together forever.
Mata and Kuinise, you have chosen to be joined in marriage today, and through your vows have promised loyalty, faithfulness, and friendship for the rest of your lives. Your promises to each other are exemplified in Ephesians chapter 4, verses 2 and 3, with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. It is with great joy and privilege that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Friends and family, I introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kuinise and Matsalasi Leiataua.
beach in Tahiti. I get a Snapchat and it's just of the ring. And it's this beautiful ring. And I could not be happier for them. It's just been so great to witness that as a best friend, and I'm so happy for you guys. To see you guys so happy, it just makes me so hopeful. I truly believe that you guys are soulmates.
Take my advice when I say to love each other wholly and unconditionally. Keep your promises to each other and never let a day go by without telling her that you love her. I was there when you guys met. I was there for your first kiss. I'm here now at your wedding. I love you both with all my being. I will always be here. Ladies and gentlemen, I was also there for Junior's first drink. So let's cheers to my best friends, Mr. and Mrs. Quincy Leiataua Jr.